So while we were at Freddy's, he wanted out of the cart, and so I put him out, and he was acting like he was pooping, and I said, and he was messing with something on the ground, and I asked him what he was doing, and he said, "I'm pooping on the floor, Mommy." What are you doing? Logan? Is your ham yummy? Do you like chicken? Logan smells like poop. Daddy poop. I like chicken. Logan smells like poop. Logan smells like poop. Mommy is awesome. Mommy's awesome. Mommy's the coolest mommy ever. Deuces. 2 thumbs. And I'm out. I'm out. Deuce. I pooped. What? What'd you do? You pooped? Are you stinky?
No.
No. Are you eating?
No.
Why are your feet on the table? Get your feet off the table. Thanks. Well, yeah, I see the other one. Put it down.
Oh.
Say you're welcome, Mommy.
Welcome, Mommy.
You're welcome.